Welcome to our YouTube channel Geviliya Cooking, which shows you various methods of preparing Sri Lankan food items. Today you can see our Geviliya is coming towards cultivation to pick some vegetables. Now she is cutting a snake gourd, and you can see now she is removing the polythene cover of that snake gourd. Actually she never uses agrochemicals for cultivation, and she always uses natural methods of protecting her cultivation. Now she is cutting another snake gourd. As you can see, those snake gourds are well grown. This snake gourd is very popular curry in Sri Lanka. In addition, it is recommended by Ayurvedic doctors for patients. Look at that snake gourd, it looks a real snake. As you can see, it is very well grown cultivation, and now she is going to cut the snake gourd. And now she is removing the peel of the snake gourd. She is putting some pepper and salt into a pot, and she is adding some lime juice also. Now you can see she is cutting snake gourd into small pieces. Now she puts the pieces of snake gourd into that pot. As I can see, she is going to prepare another food item with snake gourd, and she is cutting the snake gourd into small pieces. Sri Lankan women usually prepare curry with this snake gourd, but if you have seen our Geviliya's cooking videos before, you maybe remember that she is able to prepare various kind of new food items with any substance. Now she is cutting some onions. She puts the onions into a pot, and she is chopping some green chili in a special way. Actually, it's an art. And now she is adding some tomatoes into that pot. In addition, she added some curry leaves, and as you can see, she has added saffron also. In addition, she added some Maldives fish and curry powder, and she has added some cinnamon also. Now she is adding some watery coconut milk and mixes it well. Now she is going to put the pot on the fire. And she closed the lids. Now she is taking the pieces of snake gourd out of that mixture. Now the pot on the hearth is being boiled, and now she is adding the small pieces of snake gourd into that pot. Now she is mixing it well. And closes the lid. After about 5 minutes, she is going to add some coconut milk into it. Now she is stirring it well. Actually, this curry is popular in Sri Lanka, but the way she cut the snake gourd is somewhat different. It has a good color and smell also. Now the curry is ready, and she is going to take the pot out of the fire, and she is stirring it well. Otherwise, the curry may be curdled. Now she is going to prepare another food item, and she has poured a little coconut oil into a pan. After a while, you can see she is putting the pieces of snake gourd into it, and she is pouring pre-prepared omelette mixture into it. Actually, this food item may be very new to Sri Lankans also. Sometimes children do not like to eat normal curries, but if you try to prepare this kind of food items, it is very easy to feed your children. Now she is serving some white rice. As you can see, she has prepared two various food items with snake gourd. Unless you have subscribed our videos, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Then you'll be able to watch this kind of various food items in the future also. Thanks for watching our videos. See you later.